Hey everyone, and so now that we're starting in the class, I wanted to introduce our first assignment, which I printed out, the handout that you can also print out on Blackboard. So the first project is publication design, a typographic book jacket and interior layout. And you're going to be using some content in Isaac Asimov's short story that you're going to read and go through a process to design a book cover and an interior. Of course, it's a short story, so you're not going to be getting a big book like this. So what I want you to start thinking about is how you relate to content, in this case, the Asimov short story, how you read it, how you interpret it, how you analyze it, and how you generate design work, in this case, the cover. So I have a few covers. So here's the cover of Alice Ross Thorne book, Hello World. Here is The Elements of Typographic Style by Robert Bringhurst. Here is a publication called Counter Signals. And here is a book called Architecture is All Over. So as you can see, you have different elements in the book. So you have the cover, you have the spine, you have the back cover. In some cases, you have a sleeve, right? So you design the interior as well, usually with a description. Sometimes the author's sort of byline credits, a photo of them. So for the case of this class, you're going to design the cover, the back cover, the spine, and the interior. If you think of a sleeve, if you go to a bookstore and you look at books that have a sleeve, that's what you'll be designing. So keep in mind that there's a lot of typography involved in this. For this project, you're only using typography. So in our class, we're only going to use type, so there is no image. You can think of type as image, right? Type letter forms are image. So think about your relationship to that and how you articulate that, not just thinking of imagery as a picture or an illustration, but as form. So you're going to be working on something rather small, a 6x9. This is just an example of a saddle stitch, which is a sequence of pages stapled in the middle. And again, there's a cover, there's a back cover. A saddle stitch doesn't have a spine because there's not enough space. In your case, you'll be designing the spine again. So think about that. So we're going to go through a sequence of exercises to get you through from the exterior, the cover, the spine, the back cover, to the interior content, which again, you'll use the short story by Asimov to design the interior. So we're going to start thinking of structures, grids, mechanics of type, leading, spacing, composition. So I want to challenge you to start thinking how you can take the content and interpret it in a typographic way. How do you make typography sing? How do you make typography move and express the ideas behind the content for anybody that wants to read it or engage with it? So again, if you have questions about this project, please let me know, email me, feel free to email me, but make sure you download and thoroughly read the publication design assignment sheet and also all the materials in Blackboard for reference. And again, I'll probably be augmenting a lot more of that as you guys let me know what you need and what you're missing. Okay, awesome. Looking forward to see what you do. All right, bye-bye.